Hi, Rocky here with Neighborhood Ventures. I am actually on my way to play tennis on this gorgeous morning, but I thought I would pop in real quick to give you guys a renovation update because there are some really exciting things happening here. Let's take a look. Here at Villa Hermosa, we have 4 units completely done, completely renovated, and 2 of them are actually already leased out, which is good news for us. They're kind of going like hotcakes. As soon as we finish them, they're getting leased, which is really good news. The 3 on the south side are very close to being complete. We're pre-leasing those right now. And then on the north side, we are rocking and rolling with all of our things. We're demoing, we're kind of putting it back together, and it's going really smoothly. We're on time, on budget, all the good things. As you may remember, there was a pretty lengthy debate on painting the slump block. John was opposed to it because he was really familiar with the drawbacks, the fact that it's very porous, it might be harder to maintain for future owners, but I knew what a difference it would make aesthetically. So we were introduced to this new product that effectively sealed the slump block before we painted, and it made it so that those problems were eliminated. I got my paint, and I was really gunning for it because I knew that any landscaping that we did would pop so much against the white, whereas the slump block, there's only so much you can do and there's only so much of a difference that you can make without there being that contrast. So we've continued the white and black, and I feel like if we look at the south side compared to the north side, the decision was pretty clear. Okay, so the front elevation is really important to me. And when I say front elevation, I just mean what people see when they enter the property. Fortunately, we already had this pillar and this planter constructed. They just needed a little tender loving care. We're gonna add agave here because we don't wanna have it be so water dependent. And then we're gonna actually add post lights to the top of those pillars, which I think will really highlight it so beautifully. Over here, one little note, it's really important to be on site at these projects because there are minor little course corrections that when I can address them during the construction phase, it is like at really no cost, and it allows for like the slight adjustments that really make the difference. For instance, we have the bougainvillea that I feel like looks so good when they are up against the pillars, but as you can see, there's a little bit of a gap here that makes it so that we can't put it right against the pillar. So we're gonna be taking this out, putting it over on one of the other ones, and we're actually gonna be doing iceberg roses, which I feel like is a really nice residential, soft, kind of a detail to these types of bungalows. We wanted to go a little bit softer on the landscaping to really highlight the paint, to really highlight the fact that these are private patios and make it feel super welcoming. All right, we're leasing out the south side. It's going really well, super happy. And we are working on the north side, which was really our hope in that we could continue generating income even while we worked on this property. It's going very smoothly. I'm so pleased with the way that it's turning out. I gotta go play some tennis. This has been another Neighborhood Ventures renovation update. See you next time.